In this video, I will show you how to screencast of your Android phone from your Android phone to your Google TV without any stress. Let me show you how. It's going to display just like what you see right here, which means that whatever you do on your phone is going to appear on your Android or Google TV right here. Let me quickly show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this one right here, and we'll start all over from my Android phone straight into my Google TV. Let's see how we do it. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do right here on your Android device, you just want to make sure you slide down this way. Once you slide down, click on here to proceed. And all you have to do here is to make sure you look for screencast. Click on screencast. Once you click on screencast, then this is going to pop up. Make sure you turn on cast, and it's going to identify your TV. One thing here is that you need to make sure that your TV is sharing the same network with your phone. Go ahead and select your TV, and then this is going to pop up. Click on start now, and in a few seconds you can see now you are fully screencast your phone from your Android phone to your smart TV right here. Like I said, make sure you are sharing the same network with your Android phone and your Google TV. It's that simple. So whatever you are doing on your phone right here is going to be fully displayed on your Google TV. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.